This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. And welcome to issue 87 of Building Eleanor. Now, I had some trouble when filming this part of the video, so unfortunately this is going to be a little voiceover for the first part. This is the electronics issue, where we've got the cables and circuit board which we're installing into the body itself. The first bit is pretty boring. It's basically plugging in all these cables onto that circuit board. So I shall just get all that done, and then we'll see about attaching the circuit board itself to the body of the car. So when we go back over to do that bit, that will be real proper audio, as opposed to this voiceover stuff that I really don't like doing. There we go, that's that connected up on there. This connects with some pins just below it on the inside. Just like that. Nice and easy. And then we've just got to connect up the wires like to like, through them through little clip pieces like here. So yeah, I've just got to follow the instructions for those. So they sort of go through there like that, and obviously 4 and 6 connects up to 4 and 6 from under here, and the same with lots of the others. We're not doing anything with that one yet, I don't think. Oh, 7. Yeah, 7 is one of the ones that we have to do. So this is going to come along there and then go along the back there. So pretty much almost there. Let me wire them up. It won't look any different, but you can see what it looks like afterwards. So we've got our speaker connected up from over that side. Everything else from the dashboard going through. We've got 4 left to connect, which I would assume would be 2 front and 2 rear lights, but I could be wrong about that. But yeah, that's that. So far, so good. I think that's it for this at the moment. I'll put this away because the rest of it's going to be starting on the bodywork, which is something I really enjoy. So thank you very much for joining me on this part of the build. I'll see you for more very soon. And thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.